Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about fall windrower maintenance. It's getting to the point where lots of guys are starting to wrap up, or in the next month hay operations will get finished up, and then it's time to start looking at that windrower to put it away for the fall, or to line up a PM 360 with Michael or Nolan at the shop here. So basically, when you're getting ready to put the thing away, what we'd like to see you do is have the def tank filled at about half full. Try not to have it full, because that does freeze into an ice block for most of the winter, as long as it's below -12. So have that def tank about half full. It helps to keep it from crystallizing so much if you only have it really low, you know, an eighth of a tank or a quarter tank. There gets to be a lot of frost action that goes on, and a lot of times that def will actually settle out. The salts will settle out of there. So try to have that thing half full. Fuel tank, that's a mixed one. Good idea to warm your machine up and change your engine oil in the fall. Get those contaminants out of the engine and get some fresh oil in there, that crank and all those bearings sit in fresh oil for the winter. And then of course, blow everything off. If you wash things, wash it all down. If you prefer not to, just blow it off, get it ready for storage, and then maybe do a quick check and make a list of things. Important to get some things checked through, and then you can order parts in the winter time when we have some special programs for that kind of thing. Again, PM 360 has started, so give Michael or Nolan a shout if you need to have your windrower brought in, and hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.